So the first thing we can calculate is the lot size, which is the economic order quantity, which is given by that expression, Wilson's formula. So we need to know the ordering cost, S, the holding cost, and the demand. Remember that this formula reflects the fact that if S is very large, that means that placing a single order is very costly. So we'll try to place a low number of orders, and we will try to buy larger amounts of items, which is a larger value for the economic order quantity. On the contrary, if H, the holding cost, is very high, we don't want to have too much inventory in our warehouse. So we will do more frequent orders for a lower quantity per order. So this is the formula. So this is the relevant data, of which we only need these three values: demand, which is 2,500 brackets per year; the ordering cost, $18.75 per order; and the holding cost, which is $1.5 per bracket and year. Notice that all time units should be the same. So we have years here and years here. We can use weeks and weeks or months and months. As long as these time units are the same, the formula will work fine. And since everything is proportional, it doesn't really matter whether we're using years, weeks, or whatever we can use in terms of time units. So in this case, it's just years. So if we substitute, we get that. So that means that we want to buy 250 items every time we place an order. And that is the perfect balance we can have when balancing the two costs, which are ordering cost and holding cost. If the order was a little bit higher or larger, we will have an increase in the costs of holding inventory, and the savings corresponding to having less orders per year wouldn't compensate that increase in cost. And the other way around, if we place orders for a smaller value than this one here, we would have some savings in terms of inventory, but the increase in the number of orders we would have to place would be more than the savings, so it wouldn't pay off. So this is the optimal value that allows us to have the minimum cost when adding both ordering and holding costs.